Welcome, teachers, to the staff backpack training. I am going to teach you how to use Teacher Backpack. What is Staff Backpack? Well, it's an online application that was built by our very own Greenville County developers, and it provides a one-spot location for student and contact information from PowerSchool. It allows you to send out notifications to students and parents by filtering, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. And coming soon, you'll be able to send out notifications to a single student or parent. Your backpack access is granted to you based on your job and location. Your local AMS admin can update this at any time. You will be able to see your class rosters from data coming in from PowerSchool or PowerTeacher in the backpack. If you are an instructional coach, you may be listed with your AMS as a teacher, or you could be listed in AMS as an admin. And if that needs to be changed at any point, just talk to your local AMS admin and they can update that at any time. The way you're going to log into Backpack is we would like for you to use the Chrome browser, and you can type https://staff.gcsbackpack.com, and it will take you right to the Staff Backpack. Or you could use the District Employee web portal. You can go to schools or all sites, and then you would look for this icon, Backpack for Staff. Notice it's a blue backpack with books and an apple. You would use your network username and password to log in. If you are a teacher and you teach at more than one location, you would go up to this top right corner, and there is a toggle button. You'll click that drop-down arrow, and you'll be able to see the school where you teach. And if you teach at multiple locations, there'll be a couple of schools there, and you'll choose the location that you would like to find the data for. So you can choose over on the left side of your page between student/contacts. You can choose to look for notifications where you're going to create those, or you can choose to go into the educational apps page. Notice that this is red. When you are navigating in Backpack, if it's red, that means it's your current location. It's your active screen, or it's a hyperlink to another screen. So this lets you know that it is the active screen. Again, you've got notifications and you've got educational apps there. This is how it looks when you click on Students and Contacts. This is your landing screen. So I'm going to go through what all of this means. When you click on the red student name, it brings up 4 tabs. You've got the Students tab that provides the demographic information. You've got Contacts and Siblings, which provides the up-to-date contact and possible siblings. You've got your Attendance and Schedule, which provides the current schedule for the student and their attendance data. And then you've got your grades and assessments where their grades go. Now, this is what you will see when you go into the student information page. You're going to see their legal name. You're going to see their preferred name, their date of birth, the school they attend, what grade, when they graduate, their username and email. You'll see their car dismissal number if they're a car rider. You'll see their mode of transportation, their bus route. It'll show you that, their student ID number, their home address, their mailing address, their home phone number, their geocode, male or female, their ethnicity, Hispanic or Latino, and then if they have any restrictions with FERPA, their internet permission with COPA, their meal balance, if it's a special assignment, school, their language spoken at home, and my favorite part is, do they have an IEP? And if they do have an IEP, it will let you know in which area. Now you can select by the specific section. You can have the option for searching by name, ID, or date of birth. And the search function defaults to attending students only. You can click on contacts in green down here to switch between students and contacts. So now we're looking for contacts. It'll search by first name, last name, or email. You can also filter by these options as well. So contacts and siblings, it will show you the custodial contact, mother, their address, their email. It will show you their work phone, home phone, day phone, and any other contacts that are added. Then, let me show you this too. So down at the bottom, you can also see the siblings based on the last name and the residential address. So that's also down at the bottom of the page. Then when you click on the tab that says attendance and schedule, it will show you their daily attendance, present and absent, and it records their absences for the last 10 days here that you'll be able to see them on that one screen. And also period and attendance schedule is in this area down here. So based on your current term. And then the grades and assessment tab. That's where all the grades and testing scores will be. So this is the red funnel or the tornado. This is how you filter. And it's located on the top right side of the screen. And it defaults back to the attending students. And you can filter students by their name, the language spoken at home, gender, ethnicity, pupils in poverty, IEP, 504, or self-contained. I always like to know specific things about my students, so it was very important for me to know who my IEP students were, my 504 students, and you could just do that right here. And this is for those that are in your schedule. This is how it looks when you start to filter. So attending, the name range, of course the school, the class schedule, male, female. You can search by language spoken at home, ethnicity, pupils in poverty. If they have the active IEP, 504, or self-contained, you would apply the filters and then it would bring up a match of all of those. Now, this is something that you're really going to like. You can create notifications to be sent out to students and parents, or students or parents, however you would like. So if you click on notifications, then it's going to say you want to create a new notification. And then you're going to put your subject here, and then you are going to say who you want to reply to if you want them to reply to someone. It could be the nurse if you were talking about immunizations that they reply to, but you're just going to create that. Then you're going to choose what class you want it to go to. You're going to choose, your distribution based here and the class, and then it will show you how many students it will be distributed to. And then you know that it is automatically going to go into the student parent backpack account. Then you can choose, if they have non-district emails, you can click to check there. And if you would like to send it as a text or SMS, you can click in that box and it can be sent as a text message. If it was a really long text, it would turn it into a hyperlink and it would appear as a hyperlink in the text message. This is a neat feature. If you want to schedule it for later, you could schedule it for after school. You could say what time you wanted it to go out. You've got the option to save it, or you can go ahead and send it. And this is the whole page. This is how it looks. So again, subject, type in your message, see who you want to send it to, then your distribution, your classes, male, female, ethnicity, all of that's there. And the last thing I wanted to talk to you about is the education apps. And this is great for single sign-on. These are the apps that are for your school. So this is for your age students. These are the apps that your school is using. If they click on that, it takes them automatically there. They are already signed in, which is a neat feature. If you have any questions, please contact Shannon Bates Willis at sdbates@greenville.k12.sc.us. We hope you have a fabulous year. I think you're really going to enjoy using the backpack. Have a great day.